southeastern Orange County in southeast New York until 8:30 p.m. At 6:23 p.m., very heavy rain was occurring over portions of the warned area from showers and thunderstorms. An additional heavy rain will be moving into the warned area. Do not drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the roadway. The water depth may be too great to allow your car to cross safely. Move to higher ground. Do not underestimate the power of flood waters. Only a few inches of rapidly flowing water can quickly carry away your vehicle. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, Bergen and Passaic, and the following counties in New York.